Static websites are outdated, right? That's what most people think. But what if simple static sites can be faster, cheaper, and more scalable, and sometimes best than modern apps? Web development became very complex. We moved from simple HTML to heavy frameworks like now we have client-side rendering, hydration, and a lot of JavaScript. Even simple websites feel like applications. But here's the thing: most of this complexity is not necessary for and this is where come the where static websites come back, not as something old, but as smarter choice. For example, look at this. This is my website. It looks like a modern app, like it was created by some heavy framework like React.js, React or Python, or maybe with some framework for PHP. Like it looks modern. For example, with the categories and everything. It's faster, extremely fast. It looks dynamic. It has search. For example, if I search, fast search, this is the feel of a static website. Static website is just files, no server logic, no database, no runtime, just simple HTML, CSS, and some JavaScript for example, the search. The performance is way faster than any modern web application created by heavy frameworks. It is simple, no backend, no database, no server to manage. You just build your site, deploy it, and that's it. The security is the most secure because there is no server to hack, no database to inject to, no backend, nothing, just files. So the risk is simply non-existent, and the cost is almost free. For example, because it's just a simple website, it can be hosted in many free platforms. Now you may think that static websites are limited because yes, we lose some features that can be used or are available for the heavy frameworks like comment and user interactivity and many other features, or user generated content like comment or any other content. That's true, but that's just at the beginning. We can add these features because they are not necessary. A modern framework app is not necessary for the search, just like I showed you in my website. In my website we can have search, we can add JavaScript for comment and many other features. But for most websites that are not reliant on user generated content, it is the best modern way to create the websites in this modern day. So even after many decades of web development, after the heavy frameworks, I think that static websites are the best thing in this modern era. In this series of videos that I will create, and this is the first one, this is just an introduction, we will build a static website. It will feel at the end just like a modern website with every features that you can see in modern websites.